Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Clock in, step out, got a whoop in my hand. Little bit of flying just to break up the plan. House job, feel stop, lunch break vibe. Tiny whoop buzzing, yeah, I'm feeling alive. Through the doorway, down the hall, hit a smooth line clean. Little backyard ripped in a workday dream. Not about perfect, not about proof. Just having fun when I let that whoop loose. A little flight, little freedom in the middle of the grind. 1 pack, 2 packs, leave the stress behind. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Flying through the day, yeah, we do what we do. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Grab your tiny quad and let it ride with the crew. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Little bit of freestyle, little good mood boost. Workday whoops. Everybody tap in, yeah, it's time to whoop. Yeah. Vacant house session or ripping the yard. Don't matter where you fly, just fly from the heart. Newbie or pro, yeah, everybody fits. One battery deep and you're hooked on the lift. TX in my hands, goggles down, locked in. Tiny whoop therapy, let the good time spin. No pressure, no flex, no ego in sight. Just people having fun and flying alright. A little flight, little freedom in the middle of the grind. 1 pack, 2 packs, leave the stress behind. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Flying through the day, yeah, we do what we do. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Grab your tiny quad and let it ride with the crew. Workday whoops, workday whoops. Little bit of freestyle, little good mood boost. Workday whoops. Everybody tap in, yeah, it's time to whoop. Hey, bring your AS65, Meteor Hummingbird 2. Doesn't matter what you fly, just come through. From the front yard rip to the break time loop. If you're feeling that vibe, come join the Workday Whoops, Workday Whoops. Flying through the day, yeah, we do what we do. Workday Whoops, Workday Whoops. Tiny whoop people, yeah, the movement grew. Workday Whoops, Workday Whoops. Catch a smooth line and forget the bad news. Workday Whoops, Workday Whoops. Everybody tap in, yeah, it's time to whoop.